Barney, today we solved the biggest mystery ever. Which came first, chicken or egg? Breakfast? No, Barney, think. Evolution, nature, science. Oh, then egg, because omelet. Barney, that's not how science works. Then chicken, because chicken run fast. Actually, scientists say the egg came first, because the creature that laid the egg evolved into a chicken. Bro, that means Grandpa Egg.
Exactly. Class dismissed.
I'm gonna find the Grandpa Egg! If you want to join our epic journey to find the Grandpa Egg, please like, comment, and subscribe for more Puppy Bros adventures. I found the